What's up, internet? Welcome to today's video. My name is Felix. I'm over here at Knott Farm because I heard that they opened up what was that new ride? It was called Bigfoot Rapids, and now they call it when they closed it and they supposedly remodeled it. So now it's called Calico River Rivers or something like that. But I'm gonna go check it out. I want to see like if it's the same, pretty much the same ride, covered up or dressed up as something else. But yeah, I'm gonna be heading off over there right now. And well, if you ever come to Knott Farm and you want to know what rides are open and which ones are closed, right before you enter the park, there's a sign. And pretty much today's Saturday, so they have all the rides are open except for Ghost Rider. So Ghost Rider is gonna be closed all day. And another thing, if you guys are like new to my channel, make sure to smash the like, smash the subscribe button. If you guys don't follow me on my Instagram, I'll be like linking my Instagram as well. The ride is called Calico River Rapids. I don't know what the hell I was calling it earlier, but yeah, it's called Calico River Rapids. Let's see what's new. The one thing I noticed right away about the Calico River Rapids is like, well, the sign is brand new. Never seen that sign before. And another thing, they went ahead and fenced the whole area right here. That was not, it was never like that before. But that looks pretty cool. So like, I'm gonna keep walking around and see what else features do I see that looks different. So this is the entrance right here, right behind me. And as soon as you start walking up the path, right away, the first thing I noticed is that they have a, I don't know, it looks like a little cabin with some animatronic chickens. All right, so let me tell you guys, when you guys are waiting in line, like, yeah, they completely remodeled the whole ride, like the whole inside. You can still smell the fresh wood. And it looks totally different, guys. And they got like some beds right here. I wonder if it's actually fur. So like, yeah, so when you're on this part of the line, it's like you're actually walking into a cabin. And they have, like I said, they have beds on one side. They have drawers on the other side of the wall. They actually have a gun. They have a whole bunch of like decorations. And well, there's like one of those old school where you take a bath, not a shower, a bath. And then they have like, I don't know what it is, like almost like a kitchen area style decoration right here. And maybe some sacks of flour, beans, who knows what. So yeah, I mean, it looks totally different. It looks real nice. And like I said, you can still smell the fresh smell of wood, which is pretty awesome. It smells nice in here, you know, and it's real. Oh my God, let me tell you real quick. And it's also super fresh. And then if you're standing on this side, you'll see a woody woodpecker on there, which is picking on the wood. Before you get on the Calico River Rapids, they have a rotating platform. So like, and what they do is like we have Claudia, which is one of the workers right here. She goes ahead and loads all the riders onto the ride, and at the same time, like all the other riders are in the back. But yeah, I don't know. I think you can fit like 2, 4, 6. You can fit up to 6 people on each ride. Other than that, yeah, you just take all your belongings on the ride. You'll be on your way down the ride. I just came back right now from Calico River Rapids, and I was gonna get on, but I don't know, man. It's too, for me, it's too early to get on the ride to get wet right away, you know? I don't want to be walking around all soaked wet. But maybe I'll get on later on, I'm not even sure, but nah. Right now I just wanted to show you guys how the ride looks, you know? I just passed by a Jaguar, and Jaguar the line looked kind of empty, kind of, right? But before I get on Jaguar, I want to go check out, I want to see how Sierra Sidewinder, how long is the line? Depending on which line is the shortest, I'll get on the ride. I'm looking at the line. So this is the line for Sierra Sidewinder. When I was at Jaguar, the line was actually shorter than this one, but I think I'm gonna go, and look who I ran into. Yes. All right guys, so this is Paige. Hello.
Hi.
So how long have we been friends, Paige?
A long time.
I don't know how long, but we've been friends for a while. So we never met, so this is our first time.
Yeah.
How's it feel?
Good.
Look at her. So anyways, if you guys want to follow Paige, I'll be linking her Instagram like right here. So like, yeah, you happy?
Hi. And this is my grandson, Hezekiah, Josiah.
The line for that Sierra Sidewinder is extremely long, right? And so what I'm gonna do is like, I'm gonna go and go get a line for Jaguar. So I'm over here at Jaguar, and they just loaded some people on the ride. Once this ride leaves, the other one's gonna be coming in, and then hopefully I'm gonna be getting on that ride. I'm gonna go ahead and probably sit it all the way at the very back. All right guys, so I'm already on the ride. I mean, I don't know, I was gonna take off my hat, but I'm gonna leave it on. Okay, let me tell you one thing about if you sit it in the very back. I mean, just like the way I did it. Since I was back here by myself, I was like literally hitting from one side to the other side. So if you're gonna get on the back of the ride, make sure to sit with somebody so they can like be a little bit more comfortable. But other than that, this ride is pretty cool, man. I'll give this one like a 9 out of 10. What would you give it? What would you give it?
I would say 9 out of 10. Yeah, 9 out of 10.
9 out of 10.
Being the first ride for today, that was pretty cool. I liked it. I just got off Jaguar, and right now I'm gonna be heading off to Accelerator, and I want to see how long the lines are. I just came back from Accelerator, and the line is extremely long. What I decided to do is like come over here to Sierra Sidewinder and go ahead and jump on the ride. I'm gonna get on the ride with Paige. All right, guys. So right now we're inside an elevator, a special elevator for Paige.
Hi, guys.
Pretty cool. All right, guys. So I'm already reached the top. So right now they loaded some of the passengers on the ride. And the lady said it's gonna be our turn once the ride comes back right now. So we're gonna get on the ride, and I'll see you guys when we get off the ride. so the ride is already over. What would you give from 1 to 10?
10.
10? I'll give it a 9. 9 out of 10. I got off Sierra Sidewinder and I came over here to Pony Express, but I don't know, guys. The line is pretty long. So I'm gonna keep on walking around the park, and I'm gonna just keep on walking so I eventually I'll get to see a ride that doesn't have very long lines or something. I already made it over here to Wheeler Dealer. Man, I haven't been on this ride like in a long time. I don't know. I'll probably get on this ride maybe. I don't know, man. The line kind of, I don't know. I think I'm gonna just keep on walking, man. I don't know about this Wheeler Dealer thing, man. Hi. So we're now standing in front of Hang Time. Dude, the line for that one is nope. That's a big no. But this one right here is a wipeout right here. What do you think? Maybe a yes or maybe a no? I don't know. You know what? Nah, I'm gonna get on Accelerator. I'm gonna ditch all these other rides and I'm gonna go straight to Accelerator. I already made it over here to Accelerator. All right, so here we go. Yeah. So I don't even know where I'm gonna sit at. So I'm gonna take a seat and then I guess I'll see you when I get off the ride. Jesus Christ. Man, I'm very sorry, guys, but I tried to get some of the footage on there, and I don't know, the camera was like dangling off my hands. I mean, I had a strap on it, but I mean, all I could pretty much record was my feet. Just so you guys know that that was my footage, I'm gonna show you guys my shoes. So yeah, so I don't know, like I had such a hard time when the ride took off. I had my camera on there, and I'm over here trying to record, and then I don't know, I literally missed half of the ride, try to fumble with the record button.
could go out this late at night to the place where the animals go. But baby, I'm here and I'm watching you move. There's just one thing you should know. Girl, you are my fire, only true desire. Swear I'm not a liar, you should dance with me. You should get to know me, kick it with her harmonies. Let go of your worries, you should dance with me. Dance with me, dance with me.
Alright guys, oh man, I think my video is already coming to a close, but don't leave yet because I always have those special shoutouts in the end. But yeah, that's pretty much, I think that's pretty much the end of this video. I only got a couple of rides and that was it. I'm gonna be heading out home already. If you guys are new to my channel, make sure to smash the subscribe button for me. I don't know if you guys want to share the video as well. If you guys haven't followed me on my Instagram, hit me up right there. Pretty much send me DMs for whatever reason you guys want to. I'll pretty much answer all my DMs, and I always comment back on all my comments on my YouTube channel. So pretty much that's the end of this video. I'll see you guys next time. Make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.